Are you tired of spending countless hours creating PowerPoint presentations? Do you wish there was an easier way to make your slides look professional and engaging without all the hassle? Well, you're in luck. Today, on the latest trends in education, we're diving into the top 10 AI tools that will revolutionize how you create presentations. These tools are designed to save you time and effort while ensuring your presentations stand out. Let's get started. First up is Beautiful.ai. This tool is perfect for those who want smart design features that automatically make your slides look polished and professional. With customizable templates, you can tailor each presentation to fit your unique style or brand. Beautiful.ai also excels in data visualization, making it easy to create compelling charts and graphs that communicate your data effectively. Plus, with analytics tracking, you can see how your audience interacts with your slides, giving you insights into which parts of your presentation are the most engaging. If you want beautiful, professional slides in no time, Beautiful.ai is the tool for you. Next, we have SlideBean. SlideBean uses AI to help you outline your presentation, making it easier to organize your ideas and structure your slides. It also offers content suggestions, so you don't have to start from scratch. With design automation, SlideBean takes care of the aesthetics, ensuring your slides are visually appealing and cohesive. Its brand consistency feature ensures that all your presentations align with your corporate identity, making it an excellent choice for businesses. SlideBean is ideal if you need a quick, streamlined process to create professional presentations. Third on our list is Presentations.ai. This tool provides AI-driven suggestions to enhance your slides and data-driven insights to help you craft impactful content. It offers personalized content features, allowing you to create tailored presentations that resonate with your audience. Additionally, Presentations.ai supports multiple export formats, so you can easily share your presentations on various platforms or devices. For personalized and versatile presentations, Presentations.ai is a fantastic option. Coming up next is Designs.ai. This tool is all about creating visually stunning presentations with minimal effort. It features AI-powered layouts that automatically adjust to create balanced and attractive slides. Designs.ai also includes a vast stock image library, giving you access to high-quality images to enhance your presentations. With branded templates and collaboration features, it's perfect for teams and ensuring brand consistency across all your presentations. Designs.ai is your go-to tool for beautiful, collaborative, and on-brand presentations. Halfway through, we have Pitch. Pitch offers a collaborative workspace that allows multiple users to work on a presentation simultaneously. Real-time updates and chat integration, it make teamwork seamless and efficient. Pitch also supports offline access, so you can work on your presentations without needing an internet connection. This feature is particularly useful for traveling professionals or anyone who needs to work on the go. For seamless collaboration and flexibility, Pitch is an excellent choice. Next is EdrawMind, a tool that integrates mind mapping into the presentation creation process. EdrawMind helps you organize and present your ideas visually with AI-generated outlines and visual slide designs. This tool is especially useful for brainstorming and structuring complex information. With customizable templates, you can easily create slides that fit your style and the content of your presentation. EdrawMind is perfect for visual thinkers who want to create organized and engaging presentations. Seventh on our list is Wepic. This tool offers instant slide creation, which is great for quickly putting together presentations. Wepic integrates AI writer features, making content generation a breeze. With a variety of styles and easy customization options, Wepic allows you to create unique and personalized presentations that stand out. For fast and personalized slide creation, Wepic is a fantastic tool to explore. Next up is DeckRobot. This tool focuses on maintaining brand consistency and automated formatting. DeckRobot ensures that all your presentations adhere to your brand guidelines, saving you the hassle of manual adjustments. It also provides finishing touches and text checking, ensuring your slides are perfect before you present them. For brand consistency and polished presentations, DeckRobot is the tool you need. Our ninth tool is Visum. Known for its user-friendly interface, Visum offers over 50 customizable templates and a wide range of graphic assets and widgets. Whether you need charts, maps, or videos, Visum has got you covered. It's a comprehensive tool that allows you to create engaging and interactive presentations easily. For a comprehensive and user-friendly presentation tool, Visum is an excellent choice. Last but not least, we have Chroma. With access to over 1 million creative assets, Chroma is a powerhouse for data visualization. It integrates seamlessly with PowerPoint and Keynote, making it easy to incorporate its assets into your existing workflows. Used by big names like Apple and eBay, Chroma is trusted for creating high-quality presentations. For high-quality, data-driven presentations, Chroma is the tool you should consider. And there you have it, the top 10 AI tools to transform your presentation game. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional, these tools can help you create stunning, effective presentations in no time. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to explore each tool further. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to latest trends in education for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.